nice. Okay. Let's get this party started. Ori. We need to go... We need to find a compass in here. What am I doing? What did I just do? No. Is this the compass? The silent... Do you find what's blocking the mill? Okay, I do need to go up there, but... Pretty sure the guy said there's a compass in here somewhere that I need to find. I got the stuff moving here. Got this door open. Okay. Funny. That is funny. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, I don't really want to go that way. Down here, thank you. Oh, I really would have wanted to drop down just then. I didn't even realize I was stuck for a second. Stuck on that pole. Okay, for this to go. Son of a pole. No problem. That's weird. Wait a minute. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, there's a switch there. How do I get that switch? What? I've never seen a switch up there like that. Yeah, I expected that. How do I get that switch? I don't know. Oh, maybe you can get this switch. That'll help. Yeah, that'll help. A little different.